We are going to make a very simple 3-egg omelette, and it's so easy I believe that everyone can do it. So we're going to begin by cracking 3 free-range eggs into a bowl, and then we're going to whisk them until they form bubbles on top. That way we know the eggs are broken down enough. Now we're not going to season the eggs at this point, because if you season too soon with salt, it will break the eggs down and it will go to a bit of a watery mess. So we don't want that, so we're going to season the eggs during the cooking process. Place a frying pan over a medium-low heat. We'll then add in 10 to 20 grams of diced butter into the pan and we'll swirl it around until it's melted. Next, we'll place the whisked egg into the pan and then leave it to set for 10 to 20 seconds on the bottom. And then once the bottom of it is set and there's still raw egg on the top, we'll gently bring in the edges of the cooked egg and allow the raw egg to fill in the gaps. Then we'll leave that to set for another 20 to 30 seconds and season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to grate over some cheese, but of course you can add in any filling that you like. You could put ham, mushrooms, onion, peppers, any vegetables you like, any cheese you like, just go wild. I'm just keeping it simple with a little bit of mature cheddar cheese. Once the egg is almost completely set, we'll then fold it over and tip it out onto a plate. Now I'm going to finish mine again with a bit more grated cheese and a little bit more salt and pepper, but that is entirely up to you at the end. So that's how I make my 3-egg omelette. It's so easy and it's absolutely delicious. It's nice and oozy in the center with that melted cheese, and it's soft and it's delicate. And you should definitely give this one a go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.